Hello YouTubers, Aquaba. Do you know the meaning of Aquaba? It means welcome. In Ghana, Aquaba means welcome. So whenever you hear me say Aquaba, I'm saying welcome to Annie Betty's kitchen. So I promised you I was going to bring you the best cooking oils because oils form the basis of many of our favorite recipes and they play a major part in the various cooking techniques such as sautéing, roasting, baking, frying. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, using acetate. So oils from it's part of our cooking. And if you've been following my recipes, you know that I'm all about health and well-being. I believe food should be good, but being good doesn't mean you should use any ingredient at all. You should use you should source for your ingredients right, because you are what you eat, and this is true. It's not just a saying. You are truly what you eat. Whatever you eat reflects on your general well-being. And using the right oils will determine whether you are getting all the required ingredients you need in your food. So today we're going to talk about oils. So while many recipes specify which oils to use, some don't. And trust me, when you experiment, sometimes you get a brilliant meal just by changing the oil. And if you've got the right flavor, the right color, it brings the best in the dish. So let's talk about the two types of oils. There's the refined and unrefined oils. So first, let's talk about the unrefined oils. These are the best quality. Why? Because it undergoes only minimal processing. Hence, it ensures high quality, nutrient rich, authentic to nature oil, which is true in its flavor and color. These oils, the unrefined, have stronger smell and color, and the only disadvantage is that because they undergo minimal processing, they go rancid or sit still in a very short time, which may affect shelf life. So one may ask, how do I identify an unrefined oil? So normally you see virgin or extra virgin. So this is avocado oil, this is coconut oil, and this is olive oil. How to identify it is the virgin. If you see virgin, it's unrefined. If it's extra, it means it's undergone very minimal processing. So the extra virgins processing is really minimal compared to just the virgin. So normally, if it's olive oil, when you compare the color of the extra virgin and the virgin, you will see difference in the color and even in the taste and the smell. And these oils are the best: avocado oil and olive oil. So when to use the unrefined oils? Once you apply heat to the unrefined oils, you defeat the purpose, because then you are processing it. So in order to get all the nutrients in it, it's advisable to use it in salads. You drizzle on your salads, you use it in your salad dressings, such as your mayo, your vinaigrette, or use as dips. So don't apply heat to your extra virgin oils. Now we are going to talk about refined. We finished with the unrefined. So what are the refined oils? These are processed to remove the undesired elements such as the strong smell or the color. So the refined oils undergoes a series of processing through which heat is applied, and this is to tone down the color or remove the strong smell. Refined oils are more heat stable, therefore when cooking over higher temperatures, it's advisable to use the refined oils. So when to use the different types of oil, your refined or unrefined? why you should know the smoke points of the various oils is for you to be able to make an informed decision whenever you are cooking. So for deep frying, we cook at higher temperatures, and refined avocado oil has a smoke point of 520 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that it can take heat up to 520. The unrefined, that is the virgin or extra virgin avocado oil, has a smoke point of 480, which means it's lower. Therefore, when you're doing deep frying or cooking that requires higher temperatures, you use your refined ones. Why? Because when you use the extra virgin or the virgin, you damage the nutrients in it by overheating it beyond its smoke point. How do you know this? You can use a cook thermometer to tell you when you are overheating or underheating or doing the right thing. So each in your kitchens, I'll be doing your kitchen equipment, the equipment you need in your kitchen to give you the right temperatures, to give you easy cutting, to make your cooking enjoyable, to make it. Some of you watch my videos and you say I make it look so easy. Cooking is easy once you have the right tools, equipment, the right gadgets, and you enjoy what you're doing. It makes it so easy. So I'll be bringing you the kitchen equipment to help you achieve this. Now let's come to our coconut oil. The unrefined coconut oil, that is the virgin coconut oil, has a smoke point of 350 Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The refined coconut oil has 450. There again, so you can see that avocado oil has a higher smoke point, which is 520 degrees Fahrenheit. I will recommend that when you are doing deep frying or cooking at higher temperatures, use the refined avocado oil. Now we come to almighty olive oil. Olive oil became a craze when Mediterranean cooking methods came about, and everybody was saying olive oil is the best oil to cook with. But let me tell you this, the smoke point for unrefined olive oil is 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and the smoke point for the refined olive oil is 470. Therefore, if you are doing deep frying with your olive oil, you're going beyond your smoke point, which makes it. And oils, when you heat it beyond its smoke point, most oils become trans oils. Trans oils means now you've killed all the nutrients, all the properties in it, and it's taking all the nutrients in whatever food you are cooking with. So you end up eating food without any nutrients at all. You're just filling your belly. So you should know your smoke points and get a thermometer. Like I said, I'll be going through with you the required kitchen equipment you need to help you achieve maximum nutrients in your food after it's been cooked. So although I've given you some advantages and disadvantages of these oils, another advantage or disadvantage is that with the unrefined oils, they are more expensive. So if you buy an oil that's expensive and you go and heat it over its smoke point and you lose all the nutrients, then what have you done? And also with the refined oils, they are less expensive. Further processing the refined oils go through damages some of the nutrients in there. So now you know about your oils. So I would suggest when you're deep frying, use the refined avocado oil because it has a higher smoke point than almost all the oils. And yes, olive oil is good when you're sautéing, when you're simmering. Just get your cook thermometer so you know. And when you're using your olive oil, make sure you don't overheat it. Cook under low temperatures, let it simmer. Don't overheat your oils. When you're cooking, make sure all your ingredients are ready to cook before you turn on the heat and pour the oil in. I watch some people cook and the oil burns and sometimes they throw in your onions and the onion is burnt. You're not getting any nutrients in this. Take time, know your ingredients, know the processes involved. So all the details, all the information I've given you will be in the description button, so you can take your time and read about it. So why do I have this here? I'm not swearing. I'm not. This is called shito. Shito means chili. This is made from chili sauce, and so as you can see, it's called spicy homemade chili sauce. It comes in mild, hot, and extra hot. You can find the recipe, you can find the link to the recipe for the shito in the description button. And shito goes with everything, so you can use it as a dip for your tortilla chips. So it can be used with your rice, your potatoes. Shito goes with everything. You can use it as a spread on your bread, for real. Try it. So try the recipe and use it. It goes as an accompaniment to almost any dish you can think of. You can drizzle on your salads. You can use it to marinate your meat and your fish. You can use it to marinate your plantains and fry your kilawole. I'll put the link for the kilawole in the description button as well. So if you don't have the kilawole sauce, you can use your shito. So remember, when you're cooking, cook under simmering heat. Don't overheat your oil. Don't kill all the nutrients in the oil you've spent money on. If you want private cooking lessons on how to cook these amazing dishes, or you having that lovely event and you want to wow your guests, you can book with me so I can help you do the magic in your kitchen. All my contact details are in the description button. Remember, your health is your wealth. You are what you eat, and your food should be your only medicine. So choose your ingredients wisely and cook with care and love. Till I come your way again next time. Ciao, take care, shalom.